Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you some of my favorite tips on how to look attractive and natural. Whether you want to impress someone, boost your confidence, or just feel good about yourself, these tips will help you achieve a beautiful and effortless look. So, if you're interested, keep on watching. The first tip is to have good hygiene. This is very important because it affects not only your appearance, but also your health and well-being. Having good hygiene means keeping your skin clean, fresh, and free of dirt, oil, and bacteria. To do this, you should wash your face twice a day, in the morning and at night, with a gentle cleanser that suits your skin type. After washing your face, you should apply a moisturizer to hydrate and protect your skin. The second tip is to consider wearing makeup if it interests you. Makeup can be a fun and creative way to express yourself and highlight your natural beauty. You don't need to wear a lot of makeup or follow any rules. Just do what makes you happy and comfortable. For a natural and attractive look, I like to use some basic products that give me a subtle glow and a pop of color. The third tip is to play with your hair. Your hair can make a big difference in how you look and feel. It can also show your personality and mood. You can experiment with different hairstyles, colors, and accessories to find what suits you best. They're easy to do and look very cute and flattering. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. I would love to hear your thoughts and suggestions. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos.